Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download stories on Wattpad. So simply you have to install this application in your cell phone. Just open it. So as you know, there are many stories available. You can check all the stories are here. So simply you can search it according to your need. So now we have to download a story. Just simply click here and now you can see this plus button. So now when you click on this, it will be added in your library. Like this is my personal account, so I am adding this. So it's finally added into my library. So now what we need to do, you can see these bottom buttons. Just click on these three lines button. Just click here. Now you can check all the stories available here. So here you can see the download button. Just click on this and it will be added into your offline story. So in this way you can easily download stories on Wattpad. So now you can see this is available in offline. It means you can read it without internet.